Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change the color of light notifications for messages on WhatsApp. If you want to customize the color of LED notifications for incoming messages, follow these simple steps. Start by launching the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. After opening the WhatsApp application on the homepage in the upper right corner, look for the three dots and then click on them. Then when a small window opens, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will look for the Notifications option in the drop-down menu and then click on it. The application will open the next page where you will also scroll down to the Messages section and then click on the Light option. And here it is. As you can see, the application has offered you a couple of colors. It's up to you to choose which of these lights you want to notify you of, and then click on the OK option. After choosing the desired color, exit the Settings menu. The new notification light color will now be active when you receive new messages. And that's it. You have successfully changed the color of the notification light for messages on WhatsApp. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, follow our channel for more tutorials like this, and share with your friends what you learned today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.